Ever since humanity first gazed up at the starlight expanse, space has been a canvas for our dreams and curiosities. Our initial forays into the cosmos have been fueled by the explosive power of rockets, but the concept of a space elevator presents a radical shift from this norm. It paints a picture where, instead of suiting up for a fiery launch, astronauts or even civilians could just step into an elevator and journey beyond our atmosphere. Historical context. The idea of scaling the heavens is not new. Ancient civilizations, from the Mesopotamians to the Mayans, have had myths of towers or stairways reaching the gods. These tales, while metaphorical, resonate with the human aspiration of reaching the stars. From fiction to hypothetical fact. In the realm of modern culture, the concept of a space elevator began as a fantasy in science fiction. Classics like Arthur C. Clarke's Fountains of Paradise painted vivid imaginations of such celestial bridges. These stories, over time, instilled a profound question in the minds of scientists and innovators. Could fiction be translated into reality? The blueprint of the dream. Visualize a tether, anchored to a point on Earth stretching beyond our planet's atmosphere and into space. At its end would be a counterweight, ensuring the structure remains taut. Elevator cars would travel along this tether, powered and propelled by advanced technologies, making the daunting trip to space seem as mundane as commuting between floors of a building. Economics over explosions. The most substantial advantage such an elevator presents over rockets is economical. Rockets, by their very nature, are not reusable in many cases. This is changing with companies like SpaceX. An elevator could revolutionize this, making space travel more akin to a train journey than a one-off event. The implications for trade, research, and space exploration are vast, summarized by the idea of an elevator ride to space. Dive deeper with FutureGenix. Like, share, and ring that notification bell, ensuring you don't miss out on any space-bound elevators. Elevating science. The intricate fabric of innovation. Building a bridge between Earth and space is a venture at the bleeding edge of our technological prowess. It demands advancements in fields ranging from materials science to energy systems. As we untangle this intricate web, we uncover myriad marvels of modern innovation. The spine of this celestial elevator is its tether, demanding strength, flexibility, and lightness. Enter carbon nanotubes, structures 100 times stronger than steel and significantly lighter. Scientists envisage a ribbon made of these materials capable of withstanding the colossal forces in play. Beyond nanotubes, researchers are also investigating other potential materials like graphene and boron nitride nanotubes, each promising to be the potential backbone of our elevator to the cosmos. How does one propel an elevator car across such an epic journey? The answer might lie in the boundless energy of our sun. Solar panels on the tether could harvest sunlight, converting it into electricity. This power could then drive climber mechanisms, which would ascend the tether. Beyond solar, the ambient radiation of space and Earth-based lasers are also being considered as potential energy sources. Supersetting rockets. While rockets have been the workhorses of space exploration, they come with caveat. They are expensive, relatively inefficient, and their launches are taxing on the environment. A space elevator would sidestep many of these issues, providing a greener, more sustainable means of reaching the stars. The decrease in costs could make space more accessible, heralding a new era of exploration, and maybe even colonization. The gauntlet of challenges. But every innovation casts shadows of challenges. How would such a tether handle micrometeoroid, those tiny space bullets zipping around? What about the intense radiation of space? And then there's the Earth's rotation to consider, which introduces dynamic forces. Addressing these and myriad other challenges is essential to make the dream a reality. Navigating the legal cosmos. Beyond the technological hurdles, the space elevator also finds itself entangled in a web of legal and ethical questions. In an era where nations squabble over territories on Earth, who would lay claim to a structure that transcends our planet, establishing regulatory frameworks and international cooperation will be pivotal. Are you captivated by the interplay of science, technology, and ambition in building the space elevator? Subscribe now to ensure your front row seat to the future. The pulsating heart of space, exploration beats with a rhythm of ambition and audacity. This beat grows even stronger as we contemplate the enormous potential of the space elevator and what it means for lunar exploration and beyond. An elevator ride to Luna. The moon, our celestial companion, has always been the symbol of human space exploration. Now imagine the allure of embarking on a journey to this silvery orb, not in a rocket, but an elevator. It's not just about reaching the moon. It's about creating a sustainable and direct connection, a sort of interplanetary highway. However, the mechanics of an elevator stretching to the moon introduces its set of complexities. Given the moon's synchronous rotation with Earth, we'd be looking at a mobile base station on the lunar surface to accommodate the movement. Beyond the moon, space elevators could redefine how we approach other celestial bodies. Imagine elevators on Mars or Venus providing more efficient access to their surfaces. While these challenges multiply manifold given the different gravitational and atmospheric conditions, they're tantalizing prospects to contemplate. The economic reshaping of space travel, space tourism, lunar mining, and interplanetary research could become economically viable with space elevators, potentially driving down costs and increasing frequency. The industries that could sprout from this infrastructure could reshape global economies, ushering in an age of space capitalism. The societal shift. Space becomes more accessible. How does it change us as a society? Will lunar vacations become a family adventure? Could there be a lunar university specializing in space sciences? The ripple effects on culture, education, and even human identity could be profound. The idea of studying space, while being in space is no longer a dream, but a potential reality in the making. And what about the arts? Imagine theater performances with the Earth as the backdrop, or lunar art installations that celebrate this confluence of technology and human spirit. Our creative expressions could reach new heights, quite literally. The ripple effects on culture, education, and even human identity could be profound, forging a renewed bond with the cosmos and driving home the reality that our destinies are intertwined with the stars. Beyond the moon, space elevators could redefine how we approach other celestial bodies. Imagine elevators on Mars or Venus, providing more efficient access to their surfaces. Space elevators in the environment. As Earth grapples with climate change, the role of sustainable technologies becomes paramount. Space elevators could drastically reduce the carbon footprint associated with space launches, presenting an eco-friendlier gateway to the cosmos. Championing collaborative cosmos exploration, this isn't just a journey of one nation or a single company. The magnitude of such an endeavor demands global collaboration. We're looking at an era where nations unite, sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise to take that giant leap together. The realm of space has always been vast, mysterious, and enticing. As we stand on the precipice of technological revolutions, concepts like the space elevator not only challenge our engineering capabilities, but also our imagination. In this dance of molecules, mechanics, and ambition, we're not just redefining transportation. We're reimagining our place in the cosmos. Journey with us as we traverse these exciting frontiers of science and speculation. Be a part of our ever-growing community of space enthusiasts at FutureGenix. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Together, let's keep reaching for the stars.